Power's been out for up to about 5 days, then for a day, and now off and on for today. This is kind of how I've been getting by. Of course, a flashlight, but my diesel heater going into my trailer. And then I have the TV running as well. But as you can see on my Jackery, about 29, 28, 30 watts. And I'm using a Vevor diesel heater. Exhausted out, ducted in. If I turn the light off, it gets pretty dark. But that's my setup in a blackout. And then inside, I still get playoff football. But everything else, dark, no power. Had to pull the TV out and run it off the Jackery. But once again, the Jackery will do TV, heat, burning less than 30 watts. Blessings. Be safe, you guys.